Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix UE-MistfallHunter. Game has crashed, so here's what you're going to do. You want to open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers and simply download the latest one and then click Express Installation and install it. While it's installing, you want to go to System, disable the G-Sync if you have it on, and go to Settings and disable the NVIDIA overlay. After you've done that and installed the driver, what you want to do is restart your PC, and after restart your PC, disable any third-party software like RGB, fan control, any VPN, Docker, etc., antivirus, etc. that might be interfering with the game. Now, after you've done all of that, the next thing you can try is go into Google and type in DirectX and then click first link and simply click DirectX and use a runtime installer. Click download and simply open it and install it. Click here accept, done, install the Bing bar and let it run the wizard. After it's done, click here finish. Also, you want to go to Google again, type in Visual C++ and click the first link again. Scroll down till you find latest version and first download the x64. Download it and then simply open it. And then click here install. I already have the latest version, but for you it will install it. And you want to do the same with x86. So download it, open it, and simply install it. And after it's done, you want to reset your PC. Now, if nothing else works, what you can try is go to your Steam library, find your game, you want to right click on it, click properties, go to installed files. You want to move your game from local disk D if you have more than one drive to local disk C where your Windows is installed, and the game should run normally and it shouldn't crash. After you move your game, you want to restart your PC and then relaunch the game, and that should hopefully fix the issue. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Unreal Engine MistfallHunter. The game has crashed. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.